The evolution of AI. Gemini 2.0 AI is evolving faster than ever before, and Gemini 2.0 might just be the most astonishing leap yet. Imagine a future where your devices don't just assist you, they think, create, and adapt seamlessly to your needs. This is the revolution we're about to dive into. Did you know AI adoption has skyrocketed by over 270% in the past 5 years? Stick around as we uncover 16 mind-blowing features of Gemini 2.0 that are reshaping how we work, play, and learn. From revolutionizing industries like education and healthcare to reimagining gaming and content creation, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon as your dream goal so you don't miss more exciting insights about the tech shaping our world. Multimodal content creation. Gemini 2.0 processes and generates text, images, and audio simultaneously. This is invaluable for projects requiring a combination of formats, such as presentations, marketing campaigns, or storytelling. Imagine crafting cohesive outputs from inputs like a single prompt describing a futuristic city at sunset. Gemini streamlines creative workflows across industries. Task automation with AI agents integrated with tools like Google Mail, Calendar, and Drive. Gemini's AI agents handle scheduling, set reminders, and coordinate tasks efficiently. Over time, as these agents learn user habits, they adapt to provide tailored solutions, minimizing manual effort and streamlining daily operations. Real-time multimodal search. Gemini enhances search capabilities by blending inputs such as text, images, and audio. For instance, uploading a picture of an unknown flower can yield detailed species information and care tips, transforming traditional search into a content-aware experience. Web navigation and research. Gemini's ability to synthesize data from various sources simplifies research and decision-making. Whether comparing product specifications or compiling reviews, it organizes information into concise outputs, saving users significant time and effort. Enhanced gaming development. Gemini's multimodal processing unlocks potential in gaming, enabling developers to create immersive environments and adaptive NPCs. These characters respond dynamically to player actions, enriching gameplay with evolving storylines and personalized tutorials. Context-aware mobile assistance integrated into Android devices through Project Astra. Gemini offers personalized support using tools like Google Lens and Maps. From planning trips to finding local stores, Astra anticipates user needs, transforming smartphones into proactive assistants. Developer toolkit. With pre-built tools, Gemini simplifies AI-powered application development. From fitness apps offering tailored workouts to e-commerce platforms providing smart recommendations, developers can create innovative solutions without the complexity of traditional integration. Advanced customer support. Gemini powers chatbots that handle complex queries while maintaining conversational fluency. These bots provide empathetic responses, process returns, and recommend alternatives, ensuring faster service and improved customer satisfaction. Data analysis and visualization. By creating easy-to-interpret visual summaries, Gemini helps businesses identify trends and monitor performance. Its capabilities support data-driven decision-making, enabling efficient operations across various sectors. Real-time translation. Gemini bridges language barriers by offering real-time translation for both text and speech. Retaining context and meaning, it's ideal for multilingual meetings, travel, and cross-cultural communication. Virtual reality and immersive learning. Gemini supports dynamic VR environments for gaming, training simulations, and education. From visualizing historical events to designing adaptive NPCs, its capabilities elevate the VR experience to new levels of interactivity. Personalized music and content curation. Gemini curates playlists and suggests music based on themes or activities. Its tailored approach simplifies finding audio that aligns with specific moods, making it a versatile tool for both personal and professional use. Emotional intelligence. Analyzing tone and context, Gemini responds thoughtfully in text or speech. It identifies frustration or distress in conversations, offering empathetic responses or escalating issues to professionals, enhancing the human-AI connection. Academic productivity. Gemini organizes research with citation-ready summaries, bibliographies, and insights. From renewable energy to scientific studies, it streamlines academic workflows, empowering students and professionals alike. Healthcare support. Gemini tracks symptoms, sends medication reminders, and helps clinicians analyze patient data. While not a diagnostic tool, its capabilities enhance efficiency and improve decision-making in medical practices. Adaptive education. Gemini personalizes learning experiences, tailoring lesson plans to individual needs. Teachers and lifelong learners benefit from interactive content, real-time tutoring, and multimedia materials that simplify complex concepts. A new era of AI. Gemini 2.0 is shaping the future of AI, automating tasks, and revolutionizing industries. Its features demonstrate how far AI has come and hint at where it's headed next. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Share your thoughts below, and don't miss the next recommended video for more fascinating insights.